Are you tired of chisels that dull out after a few uses? Looking for a starting chisel set that doesn't need a bank loan to get it? Well, let's see how this budget-friendly WORKPRO set steps up to the job. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the WORKPRO 10-piece wood chisel set and 3 things you need to know about it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate it. Please look in the description for the URL to use when you're ready to purchase this item. Thing number 1, this includes a sturdy storage case for easy carry and organization. It's a fancy way of saying if you misplace one of your chisels, you'll know really quick because there will be an empty spot in the case. Each chisel comes with a protective blade guard that prevents from accidental cuts and chips to the blade with a protective case and tip covers. The chisels will always be ready to answer the call. Thing number 2, this comes with a double-sided sharpening stone. It's a 120 and 240 grit surface and an adjustable honing guide to help keep the chisels razor sharp. Having the proper tools to maintain a chisel set will keep them ready for a long time. All you've got to do is come up with the appropriate oil to use on these. It doesn't say that in the manual, but I just take good care and I don't want to overly sharpen or possibly damage things. So just make sure that this is all set. Read the manual because there may be changes that wasn't in the version that I got. Thing number 3, this has ergonomic slip handles, or excuse me, let's try this again. Ergonomic non-slip handles. And what that does is help reduce hand fatigue during long woodworking sessions. Now there's another reason you want to have these is if you have to change locks on your door between the door jamb or the part that's on the door itself where the hardware will go, you're going to need to proceed carefully with that, just ever so gingerly. Start chipping away because you hit it too hard, guess what? You're going to go through the door or the door frame and then you're going to have a real mess. So just take it easy, and when your hand starts cramping up a little bit, that's a good indication to kind of take a break for a bit. So take a look at this one and think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to use when purchasing this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.